What's up? I can't believe it's been 4 days since I made my last video. I'm telling you, 4 months, 3 months, 1 quarter is like an entire year in crypto. So much went on and I learned so much this past weekend. And that's what I do with my videos. I try to give you all the tools on how to learn in this space and how to get forward in this space. I know some of us don't have a lot of time and we depend on YouTube. Go to my Twitter, follow me, of course, look at who I follow and start, check out some of their timelines, some of their profiles, and you can pick and choose who you want to follow. All of this takes a little bit of work. I'm telling you, you just can't, you're not going to make it. You can if you're very lucky, just watching YouTube videos and just buying whatever tokens the YouTubers say and holding. Yeah, that's cool. And that's a way of making money. And, you can just buy a coin, sit and pray that it's going to go up and keep on with your daily life. But if you're really trying to get ahead a little bit faster, you definitely have to get involved with crypto Twitter at least. That's the easiest right now. Then the next step would be to join Telegram. But, there are things that you have to be aware of. And if you guys want me to make a Telegram group, it's really easy. And I can do that. If I do that, I make it private. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to have a Telegram chat exclusive for my viewers and subscribers. I have to make it private so that we won't get a bunch of like scammers and spammers in the chat. But I learned so much this weekend. It's unbelievable. I'm excited. KickPad. I've been busy with KickPad, learning with KickPad, trying to figure out what strategy I want to develop for KickPad. Did any of you get in KickPad? Let me know down below. I'm making this video sort of like podcast style because the editing is just too time consuming. And this is the thing. There's so much going on right now. There is so much going on. So many new projects going on. The market is we're still good. And there's just too much going on to just be able to make a video every day. You have those YouTubers that make videos every day. And what they do is they learn from their viewers. They learn about different coins. And a lot of these big YouTubers have big bags. They have big money. So like, you're watching a video, you comment in the chat, let's say somebody like Superman. I watch Superman. And, people give them different little tokens to look at. The thing is, some of these guys are already sitting pretty. They already have like big fat bags. And they're cool with just sitting and waiting. Me, I'm really into the tech as well. That's what drew me to Bitcoin and Ethereum and this whole crypto space is the whole decentralization and it's something new. I've always been that guy in my neighborhood and in my school that always knew about the newest artists first. Always would tell my friends about the newest movies or any new trends. I've been a trendsetter all my life, not to brag, and somebody that can identify trends as well. So it gets really exciting, all of the things that are coming up. I was looking at this one project called Celo. I'm going to do a video on Celo whenever I get some time. But Celo, Celo, it's like they're building, they're doing everything they can, and they're making some great steps forward. Making crypto and the accessibility to crypto and trading crypto, even in a decentralized fashion, a lot easier on mobile. Because there's so many more people on the planet that have cell phones as opposed to people that have cell phones and computers at home. So, that's just one example of like the innovation that's going on in this space. And I get really excited. I'm a nerd on the inside, like 100% nerd. My grandfather never bought me a toy in my life. He would buy me sports equipment and books. For Christmas, I would get like almanacs and encyclopedia sets. Yeah, I'm dating myself. But anyway, everyone, I hope everyone's had a good and productive weekend. And if not, do not get down. Do not feel down. The way the space is going right now, let's say you lost some money. You lost it all. Go do some gigs. Do some Uber Eats. Just make a few $100s. You can make it with just a few $100s right now if you do it right. You're not FOMOing in and you're doing the research. And again, that's why I'm interested. If any of you are interested, I'm willing to go ahead and make a Telegram chat, make it private for my viewers, and you can invite people as well. But anyway, there's so much going on. I have to leave again. For some reason, I get really motivated to make videos right when I have to leave because, like, I guess that adrenaline starts pumping. But again, I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. If you want, I can make a Telegram or Discord or both. if you're even interested. If not, just follow the breadcrumbs and do as I do and do like I showed you. Join Telegram, follow who I follow on crypto Twitter, and that way you'll be able to get ahead. And some of you guys are already OGs in this space, and you're already doing all of that. So kudos to you. But again, if you want me to make a separate Telegram just for us, I'm looking for researchers and people that know what they're doing and how to research and can provide alpha and share, even a little bit of alpha. Of course, we can't all give away all of our alpha all the time. Leave some comments down below. I really appreciate you guys. If you got into KickPad, congratulations. If you have any questions about KickPad, leave it down in the comments. They're going to be launching some new audios very soon. I'm excited about that. You have to stake at least 1,000 KickPad, and there's going to be a weight score. So it's going to depend on how many you have. 1,000 is the minimum, but they're gonna weigh how many you have and how long you staked them, and that's gonna determine, like, I guess your percentage of the allocation, because you're already gonna be guaranteed just by staking, but the amount that you're staking and how much time you're staking it gives you more weight. In other words, we'll probably give you a little bit higher of an allocation on the up and coming IDOs. There's so much I can say about KickPad, but I know them Alphabet boys are always watching. Love you guys too. That's it right now, everyone. I'll probably make another video later on. Sometimes I do these in waves. Alchemist Coin, they're still doing their thing. It's still a mystery. You have some whales that have just been pumping and dumping the price, but it's still staying above a nice, pretty good number. And you can't hate the whales for just probably wanting to accumulate more. Again, check out my Twitter. You have to go on Twitter. You just cannot depend on YouTube. At least go on Twitter. Go on my Twitter, follow me, and follow who I follow. And I'll be back with more ethereal, life-changing information.